This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at Remaxability Plus. Check out this 3-bedroom plus loft in popular Walker Farms. Laminate hardwoods on first floor and loft. Updated half bath. Bright kitchen west/countertop bar and plenty of cabinets is open to dining area and 16 by 16 great room. Oversized pantry and separate laundry room too. All kitchen appliances stay. Upstairs features the second living/play area, the spacious master suite west/garden bath, double vanities, separate shower and wonderful walk-in closet and ample-sized second and third bedrooms. Have fun entertaining family and friends on the deck out back in the privacy fenced yard overlooking green space. No neighbors behind you.